and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Congratulations on purchasing Synthesys Video Translate. Are you ready to be on the global stage with your videos produced by one of the world's best video translation apps? Of course you are, but we can't let you go any further without seeing this. I urge you to take the next couple of minutes to listen to this video showcasing our AI Pro upgrade. It's an upgrade I strongly feel everyone should have because it could truly make the difference in scoring massive wins for your videos. With AI Pro, you will unlock 3 tremendous AI features that are a recipe for higher engagement and higher click-throughs for every video you create for yourself or for your clients. Let's dive into them. And when you unlock this upgrade now, you'll set yourself up in the best possible way for taking advantage of additional upgrades that will make what you have even more powerful.
Welcome to the future of video translation with Synthesys, the revolutionary tool that opens up a world of possibilities for content creators and businesses alike. Let's explore the 3 incredible options Synthesys has to offer. Ever wish to hear your favorite speaker in a different language? Synthesys not only translates the audio, but also clones the voice and adjusts lip movements for a realistic experience.
Languages has never been simpler thanks to our cutting-edge technology that combines a genuine voice clone, accurate speaking.
Watch as the language seamlessly changes, preserving the essence of the original performance.
Fuerza los límites con extraordinaria facilidad y sofisticación.
Sometimes all you need is the voice. Synthesys' second option allows you to translate the audio without changing any visuals. Perfect for documentaries, travel videos, and more.
In a world filled with challenges and obstacles, it's easy to lose sight of our dreams.
In einer Welt voller Herausforderungen und Hindernisse ist es leicht, unsere Truth.
Your content stays visually intact while the language transforms. What if your video has no person speaking? No worries. Synthesys' third option lets you add an actor of your choice to deliver the translated content. Choose from our list of avatars to represent your voice in a whole new language. Here's an example of Synthesys in action.
L'introduction de la traduction vidéo par Synthesys, l'outil de traduction vidéo innovant qui relie les frontières.
From lip syncing to audio translation and avatar integration, Synthesys is changing the game. Try it today and revolutionize the way you share content globally. Don't miss out on the future of video translation. Visit our website and bring your content to the world with Synthesys. Transcend language barriers, captivate audiences, and make your videos truly global. Translation has never been this easy.